Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead. It's a cold and wintry story throughout this week, with mountain terrain extensively frozen, increasingly widely from low elevations upwards, and snow that will fall and lie to the low elevations as well. Monday sees a centre of low pressure over eastern parts of England moving off into the near continent, and that's dragging around that rather chilly northeasterly flow, with air temperatures staying sub-zero across the mountains and significant wind chill factor in exposure. Some snow showers will feed in across northeastern Scotland, some locally more persistent snow maybe at times over the northern parts of the Cairngorms. One or two flurries passing westwards, but most of western Scotland sees a dry and bright day with some sunshine and broken cloud, particularly towards western coasts. Some early rain and hill snow over Pennine areas will tend to pull away southwards, one or two local showers for Wales. A scattering of showers with some snow on the hills moving in across the borders, Cheviots and northeastern side of the Pennines. A dry day for most of the lakes after a damp start. Heading onwards into Monday night, and we'll still see some snow flurries across those more northeastern districts. And as we go onwards into Tuesday, that will be a similar theme as well, with the general airflow coming around from the north. Fairly light winds for many places on Tuesday. Local snow flurries still feeding into the northern Cairngorms, where we'll see some low cloud across the hills. Some variable cloud banks and mist patches even in some of the valleys and the glens during the day on Tuesday. Temperatures stay rather chilly, sub-zero on the tops, and with some frost in the valleys and the glens as well. But mostly light winds, some brighter spells may just be around locally. Into the middle part of the week, and not much changes really on Wednesday. A few local coastal showers with snow over higher terrain, really only rain or sleet just on the very lowest slopes. The northern Cairngorms again feeding in that northerly flow, which may just hold on to a lot of cloud, and some snow flurries that may become more frequent or persistent snow into this part of the world through Wednesday daytime. The far north of the Highlands into the far northwest as well could see that more persistent snowfall develop here. Now, there's quite a bit of uncertainty into the second half of the week as a centre of low pressure tries to spin up from the southwest, and this could become quite a deep and active feature. Different charts have different solutions at this stage, but there is the potential for that running northwards into South Wales, maybe further into the Pennines as well, with bands of snow falling to quite low elevations, so keep a close eye on the forecast here. I think the greatest risk of snow is that bit further south, but eastern Scotland too, still feeding in through Thursday and into Friday, belts of snow showers from the east, which will fall pretty much to the lowest of elevations. All the while, western Scotland will see very little in terms of precipitation, so cold temperatures, frozen terrain, but not too much snowfall getting out toward the west of the Highlands. It's eastern parts that will see the greater likelihood of snow. Pennine areas too, through into Friday and into Wales as well. By the later part of the week, the air temperatures are widely going to be down towards -5 on most higher summits, and the high tops in Scotland could well be nearer to -8 as an air temperature. Add on the wind chill factor, and that could be much closer to -20, so do be prepared for increasingly severe conditions in terms of temperature and wind chill on those high tops. Prepare for winter, it's very much here through this week. All your local details can be found on our website, but for today that is your fleeting view. Thanks for watching.